No, you know what? I'm going to start World War II and 3.
It's fine.
Guys, you know when you're playing with that girl. Maybe when we're going over 5 years.
Okay. That's reasonable.
You know what I'm saying? I think that's reasonable. Yeah. I mean, everyone's different also. There may be financial constraints as well, which is a real thing. I think also we need to give our men grace for that, especially our black men. You know, you guys have gone through a lot.
That's why.
Why Susagasham Iwel Triangambel? I wonder when will people learn to listen to understand, not to listen to respond.
But I do here I have to advocate in a very genuine way. Seriously, our black men have gone through so much. And financially it is almost impossible to try empower yourself even when you try. You know, the system's against you. You know, people don't have support from the government. You have 400 years of being, you know, oppressed. Where is this money going to come from? You know?
Guys, we need to understand that there are good men out there. There are people who are happily married. There are people who are well taken care of as wives. So unandi here, you must get it into your thick skull. Akakhulumi ngale deadbeat daddy yakho, akakhulumi ngale ndoda yakho wayinikeza imali ukuthi yokulobola, akakhulumi ngale ndoda yakho ekushaya ube mabihli-bihli uzigqume nge-makeup, akakhulumi ngawe osekela ngapha nangapha day in day out because usaba ukuthi abantu bazothini. She is talking in her own context, her own experiences, and how she's experiencing wakumshado. Phumani ekutheni nilalele for ukuphendula awukokweza nokuthi kuthiwani. Awu Nkosi yami, yazi niyofangela inyanga nifele nje ukuthi awulalelanga uzwe nje isentence eli1 socabanga ukuthi kulwiwa nawe, socabanga ukuthi kukhulunywa nawe. It's not about you, it's about her. Chill, take